The Merah Putih High-Speed Train stands as a proud symbol of Indonesia's technological ambition and engineering progress, a masterpiece born from the collective vision of the nation to build a high-speed railway system made entirely by its own people. The train, draped in the elegant hues of red and white that mirror the colors of the Indonesian flag, exudes both strength and grace. From the front view, its aerodynamic nose gleams under the showroom lights like a sculpture of motion itself, a seamless fusion of art and engineering. The curved design reduces air resistance and amplifies speed, giving the impression that the train is slicing through wind even when stationary. Its windshield stretches like a panoramic visor, darkened slightly for the driver's comfort, framed by LED headlights that form a sleek, futuristic signature pattern. The body's smooth curvature, crafted from lightweight yet durable materials such as aluminum and composite alloys, reflects the soft lighting of the white English luxury showroom where it proudly stands. Every contour, every reflection emphasizes craftsmanship, an interplay of innovation and aesthetics. As one moves to the side view, the full grandeur of the Merah Putih's design becomes visible. The elongated body spans gracefully across the polished marble floor, capturing attention with its fluid lines and precise geometry. Each car segment connects seamlessly to the next, with doors that blend flush against the sides to maintain aerodynamic efficiency. The red color flows dynamically from the nose, fading into white along the middle sections, symbolizing motion, unity, and purity of national vision. Large panoramic windows run along the length of the train, designed not only to offer passengers a wide view of Indonesia's diverse landscapes but also to enhance natural light within the cabin. The undercarriage, though mostly hidden, reveals a sophisticated suspension system, magnetic brakes, and wheel assemblies engineered for stability even at speeds exceeding 250 km per hour. Standing in the quiet, spotless environment of the English-style luxury showroom, the train looks both majestic and serene, a modern marvel waiting to be unleashed on the tracks that will one day connect Jakarta and Surabaya in a journey of under 4 hours. Viewed from the rear, the train's tail narrows elegantly, its aerodynamic form tapering to a graceful end that mirrors the head's curvature. The back view showcases the design team's obsession with detail, smooth lines, integrated tail lights, and a subtle blend of red and white that glows under the showroom's ambient lighting. The rear window is minimalistic, accentuating form over ornamentation, and the metallic surface reflects the surrounding architecture like a mirror. The precision of assembly is visible even from this angle. Every joint, seam, and edge aligns perfectly, testifying to the meticulous manufacturing standards achieved by Point Inca and its research partners from top Indonesian universities. Standing behind the train, one feels a sense of completion, as if every line of the structure flows toward a unified purpose. From above, the Merah Putih high-speed train reveals yet another layer of beauty. The top view showcases the fine engineering of its roofline, home to advanced systems such as the pantograph that connects the train to its overhead power lines. The roof is lined with subtle ridges designed to channel airflow efficiently, reducing drag and noise during high-speed travel. When viewed under the controlled lighting of the showroom, reflections travel smoothly along the roof's metallic red-white surface, emphasizing symmetry and precision. From this vantage point, the overall composition of the train looks almost like a living organism, sleek, powerful, and perfectly adapted for motion. The white of the showroom contrasts beautifully with the vibrant national colors, making the train appear as a beacon of progress standing proudly in the heart of modern industry. A close-up view of the engine area reveals the mechanical soul of this machine. Every detail in the nose, from the curvature of the headlights to the intricate structure behind the front panels, has been optimized for both function and beauty. The headlights, shaped like the eyes of a falcon, convey intensity and confidence. The metallic body has been treated with multiple layers of paint and clear coating to achieve the perfect combination of gloss and durability, ensuring resistance to heat, friction, and tropical weather. Behind the outer shell lies the advanced propulsion system, electric traction motors coupled with state-of-the-art braking and control electronics. The system is engineered to maintain smooth acceleration, energy efficiency, and low noise, a testament to Indonesia's growing expertise in high-speed rail technology. The precision of this design can be seen even in the reflections of showroom lights dancing across the polished metal. Every vent, every curve, and every mechanical joint has been calculated to contribute to performance. Inside, the Merah Putih high-speed train reveals its luxurious passenger environment. The interior has been designed to rival global standards, combining comfort, technology, and cultural identity. The cabin features plush seating finished in a blend of red and white leather, with ergonomic design ensuring comfort for long journeys. LED lighting along the ceiling creates a soft, inviting glow, while wide panoramic windows give passengers a breathtaking view of the passing landscapes. The floor panels are crafted from lightweight materials that minimize vibration and noise, ensuring a smooth, quiet ride. Overhead luggage racks blend seamlessly into the architecture, and the air conditioning system is concealed within the design, maintaining both efficiency and elegance. The interior color palette reflects Indonesia's modern identity, bold yet balanced, sophisticated yet warm. From business-class cabins to standard seating, every detail emphasizes craftsmanship and pride in local innovation. Advanced digital displays, Wi-Fi connectivity, and automated service systems highlight the train's readiness for the future. But beyond the luxury of the showroom and the elegance of the passenger cabin lies the real story, the hard work, innovation, and collaboration that brought the Merah Putih high-speed train to life. Inside the Point Inca factory in Madiun, the assembly process is a symphony of precision and teamwork. The train's car bodies begin as raw aluminum frames, welded and shaped with robotic accuracy. Engineers and technicians, dressed in safety gear and national pride, monitor every stage of production. Sparks fly as robotic arms cut, weld, and assemble panels with millimeter precision. The red and white paint is applied in clean room conditions, ensuring flawless adhesion and vibrant color depth. Nearby, electrical systems are being tested, wires, circuits, and sensors connecting like the nervous system of a living being. In another section, mechanical parts such as bogies, braking systems, and traction motors are fitted with precision instruments. Every step of the process is documented, analyzed, and inspected for quality assurance, reflecting Indonesia's commitment to excellence. In the mechanical workshop, exposed interior components reveal the hidden beauty of engineering: gear assemblies, couplers, compressors, and suspension systems, all arranged with mathematical precision. These components form the foundation of the train's reliability and performance. Engineers adjust torque settings, test tolerances, and calibrate sensors to ensure each system performs flawlessly at high speeds. The assembly line hums with the sound of progress, machines whirring, tools clanking, and voices coordinating tasks with focus and pride. Each section of the train gradually comes together like pieces of a grand puzzle, transforming from bare metal into a symbol of national achievement. Photographs of these moments capture the heart of innovation: sparks illuminating determined faces, workers guiding robotic welders, and fresh car bodies gleaming under factory lights. Finally, when the assembled train is rolled into the testing bay, the culmination of years of research and effort becomes tangible. Engineers power up the systems, displays come alive, lights flicker on, and the train breathes for the first time. The Merah Putih high-speed train, once a dream on paper, now stands in physical form, ready for testing and refinement. In the quiet of the luxury showroom, where a completed model is displayed for dignitaries and visitors, reflections on its body mirror not just light but the vision of a country moving forward. The combination of aesthetic elegance, technological mastery, and cultural symbolism makes the Merah Putih not just a train, but a statement: Indonesia can innovate, manufacture, and lead in the modern era of high-speed transport. Each view, front, side, back, top, engine, interior, and factory assembly, tells a story of precision and pride. Together, they form the visual and emotional narrative of a nation's journey toward progress. In every reflection on its polished surface, one sees not just a machine, but the reflection of Indonesia's future, fast, focused, and full of purpose.